Hello guys, hello friend, welcome my channel, welcome my Mayajaal blog Binodon channel. This is new channel, everybody know, yeah. So today I discussing QR code or barcode. Like this, every product have to QR code or barcode. But why make this word use QR code or barcode? And what is QR code or barcode? QR code means we are going to one shopping mall, yeah, and you are choosing and many product, and you are choosing one product. Like this, we are choosing one product, and this product have to here I know one QR code. Yeah, so here is one QR code or barcode, but this is very important that you are not your eyes connection or your head memory, very important, and thus this is count only scanner machine. Yeah, you have one scanner machine or you have a smartphone and you download your phone scanner on apps and you easily new product scan and coming all details, everything. But you mind it, this product date is over but not coming your also details, but this is also validation or have to date and you can scanning. This is QR code. Why this is QR code used? Because every company owner make one product, other company make one other product, yeah, and this we are going to one shop and many product looking searching, and you can choose one product, yeah, and one product, other one product. For example, 10 product you are choosing, and you going to this pay option, and you can also everything, and you are not going to cash pay because many shop have to scanner machine, and you have 10 product, you can scanner and you also pay, because this is very easy. You know, you have this one product, I choose this product and I buy this product and I am scanning. For example, this is how much? 10 money. Also I give 10 money and thus finish and coming on receipt. And why this barcode use? Because many product, many number, many barcode notes, everybody saving your head or not remember and confusion. So like this uses scanner machine. But other updating, and you can your phone, you also use one scanner apps, but you don't need one scanner apps. We have one more updating, more tips, and you have WhatsApp, and you can also WhatsApp going to inside and your profile and sitting right side sitting and your name, and inside one dot and your clicking and going to scanner and then you code scanner code, and you can also your handy, and you can also your phone use WhatsApp in scanner. For example, like this, we are many friends, yeah, and together going to on the road and inside walking and suddenly and looking also many papers, many this wallet in the wall, and many offers this product. You can check it. You are not going to any shop and other things, and you are checking your mobile and you scan and all everything. Other things you are You have to Facebook, you have to Instagram, you have to Word, YouTube channel or TikTok, and every channel or the YouTube or Facebook, you can maintain one QR code. Why you are maintaining or QR code or number? Because you right now you keep it putting your description, and everybody going to your channel inside and looks, also not going to your name searching not like this. He know he's professional and he is going to your QR code searching and coming your website. Your website all things is coming, and he's scrolling and he's look also other things, and he make this like this video, and he like this video, and he check it, no problem. Also this is QR code. QR code is very important all product, all company, because this is very easily fastly working, and not like this. And many countries have to not QR code or barcode, and like this every people is speaking and making, or this is not this many product, but this QR code is or barcode is many product, and like this not remember your head or not your memory safe. So also you can use scanner machine. This is QR code. Hello guys, I think everybody know you now is QR code. Yeah, like, and QR code other sounds you can go into your phone, and you have many company name you are searching and going to inside, and many this picture, and for example you can buy one washing machine, yeah, this cleaning machine, or you also here have on QR code, and you are searching, and you also all details and going to this website, and all everything is good, and you can choose, you can buy it, no problem. This is also QR code or barcode. I think everybody is understand, and bye bye.